Hi guys, I'm at Prescott Park at the beautiful waterfront harbor of Portsmouth, New Hampshire, with a free parking, but it's filled up really quick, so you guys need to come very early. Early bird gets a worm, get a parking spot in the beautiful harbor here. Here is the parking spots I've been talking about, and Memorial Bridge over there. And this Prescott Park have a whale made from local granite. This Memorial Bridge that go all the way to Maine. And here is a Memorial Park for our soldiers. Just a beautiful Portsmouth here. Lots of restaurants, lots of beautiful places. So beautiful city. No parking either side, or for example, no parking by permit only, or parking only for residents and stuff like that. So it's challenging because the streets are tiny, as you can see. Streets was made for the horses to run, not for the cars. And it's a cute, like a Disney, like a Main Street Disney. I found a bunny in a park just sitting there, and I found tiny house right there. How tiny it is. I don't even know what it is. It's not a dog, not for the dog, not a shed. I have no idea. It looks like this incredible garden of flowers. Portsmouth has it. Good job, Portsmouth. Keep it up. This pole's on top of water hydrant because of the snow. Sometimes they have so much snow that when trucks cleaning up that snow, it's go all the way up, and you would not know where his hydrant is. But this is 6 foot tall, so you're always gonna know where his hydrant is. Guys, they have a historic cemetery here. Let's go check it out. Wow, those stones really uneven. Be careful, guys, if you guys gonna go explore here. I'm at famous Water Street in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, and see the kind of parking restriction they have, that only by permit, and also no dogs. But who else welcome if no dogs? Look at that. Horses. Here is horse parking. Horse welcome, always welcome in Portsmouth. So get a horse and let horse tow the camper. Hey guys, this is Memorial Bridge from underneath. Pretty cool structure, how they build it. At famous Memorial Bridge in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. And other side of the bridge, it's Maine, so it's a border. And Portsmouth also have other 2 bridges. Second bridge, it's lifting up like that, just like this one. You see the chain over there. And that one, Highway 1 bridge, lifting up like that. And I-95 bridge, it's just staying still, it's much higher. I love beautiful harbor of Portsmouth at sunset. Everything's so beautiful. Best wishes, guys.